Okay, well, just got in and I finally got it. The JVC HD Everio-GZ-HM445 HD camcorder. It's a touchscreen, and I've already opened it up and had a look. Had a look at the instructions. There you are. I'm going to open it up and have a looky. So basically here is all flyers and information leaflets and stuff. That's what it records in. That's all the functions it's got. Let's get out and have a look. Well, we're going to get the charger out first. There's the battery, it's very small. Plug for the charger. Charger itself. You also get with the camcorder USB cable and an AV cable. Probably not interested in them, are we? Let's get down to business. That is a very, very small camcorder. There's a little LED there. Very, very small. That's compared to my hand. So yeah, it's very small. So I'll quickly go put the SD card in and we'll power this thing up. Okay, battery's in, and I just forgot I'm using the SD card on this camcorder. Touchscreen there. Controls, HDMI port, USB port. And there's a dual SD card port. So yeah, can't power it out because the battery's flat as anything. So, as for now, I will say thanks for watching. Stay tuned for a video of that thing running.